The other two forges here, this one works off a lever. There's a clutch in this wheel, you can see it when I work the lever. The fan runs on ball bearings. I put made a housing to put ball bearings in. I also made a venturi for the air to increase the capacity of the fan blower. This is the clean out here. That's where you take the clinker out. This is a 2-iron that I made for it. The 2-iron is made out of a 3-pound cannonball. It rocks back and forth like so. And this, yeah, that works pretty good.